If your shoulders are always tight and massage never gives you any lasting relief, here's why and how you can fix it once and for all.
Every vertebra has two sliding joints above it and two sliding joints below it. And when we're in a straight neutral position, these joints sit on each other nice and neatly. But when we move out of that neutral position, the joints don't sit so well on each other, and if we stay in that position, they can become irritated and stuck. The joints at the base of your neck are particularly susceptible to seizing up if your neck is flexed forward for long periods of time. The surrounding muscles tighten up to protect the joints, giving you tight shoulders. This can happen when your head is forward of your body or when you're looking down for long periods of time. And this is why this problem is so common, because that's what we tend to do all day. Massage doesn't help because the underlying issue is joint restriction and the muscle tightness is only a secondary effect.
To fix this problem, you need to do two things. Avoid those positions, and I'm going to show you 7 ways to do that, and release those stuck joints. I have a couple of videos on how to do that, so I'll leave a link to them below. Avoiding these 7 bad positions is the key though. If you don't change your positional habits, and that's the underlying cause of your tight shoulders, it'll keep coming back.
So instead of looking at your phone like this, lift your phone higher. Support the elbow of your arm with your other hand or on an armrest to avoid tension in the shoulders from holding your phone up. Avoid sleeping with a big pillow or 2 pillows. One medium-sized pillow will keep your neck straighter. Instead of sleeping in a fetal position, straighten up your neck and spine before drifting off to sleep. Hugging a pillow with the top of the pillow underneath your chin can help you sleep straighter at night. Never look at books, phones or laptops in bed face up or sitting up. When you're sitting in bed, your head isn't just forward of your body, it's pushed forward and held there by the bed head, which is terrible for your neck. So instead, lie on your side to look at books and phones so that your neck is nice and straight with the rest of your spine. Leaning your head against the backrest of a sofa is just as bad as sitting in bed. Moving your pelvis right back in the sofa will help to avoid a rounded spine and forward head position. Instead of craning forward to see computer screens, bring them forward to arm's distance and increase font size. And raise computer screens so that the top of your screen is at eye level, and plug laptops into a PC monitor to avoid craning forward to see the laptop screen. Now here's a bonus tip. Watching TV in bed is terrible for your neck because you're essentially looking towards your feet. You wouldn't walk around like this all day, would you? So just sit on the sofa to watch TV. One alternative could be screwing your TV to the roof, but if you do that, just make sure that the screws you use are very secure.